update, man. Stang is getting picked up right now. Getting picked up. About to get it towed to the shop over at Alex's. So let's go down there and meet the tow truck driver. Oh, here we go. That's my guy right there. Get this thing up and running, man, to the shop. Aleks, we on the way. Be there soon, buddy. I feel like this thing been on the tow truck more than it's been on the road. This thing is crazy. You need me to move it at all? You need me? Oh. Stang getting towed on the flatbed. Again. Man, this thing been on the flatbed more than it's been on the road. Loaded up, ready to rock. So there you have it, man. Stang is on the way to the shop. Still trying to figure out what I want to do. Probably gonna do a illuminator short block, stock heads, change the cam out. But we'll see what Aleks says because he's gonna be the one tuning it. It's gonna be on a Motec system. I think that's the plan anyway. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Gen 3 illuminator block, like I said, stock heads, change the cams, new turbos, and let it eat. So that's all I got for now, man. Hope you guys stay tuned. The build's gonna get crazy. How crazy, I don't know, but don't miss out, man. Make sure you got those notification bells turned on. I'll catch you guys on the next video.